Dreaming of starting your own goat farm in South Africa? Wait. Avoid these 7 beginner mistakes. Many new farmers rush in, only to lose money or give up. Here's how to start smart. Number 1. No business plan. Number 2. Choosing the wrong goat breed. Number 3. Weak housing and fencing. Number 4. Poor feeding strategy. Number 5. Ignoring goat health. Number 6. No sales or marketing plan. Number 7. Not tracking costs or profits. Get your complete step-by-step guide with real South African examples. Click the link, download the Sustainable Goat Farming Guide, and start your profitable goat farm today.